Buy low, sell high strategy in fantasy sports. The buy low, sell high strategy is a cornerstone of successful fantasy sports management. It involves acquiring underperforming players at a discount and trading away overperforming players at peak value. This strategy maximizes team value and ensures long-term success in fantasy leagues. What is buy low, sell high in fantasy sports? This strategy focuses on acquiring players who are currently undervalued due to poor performance, injury, or other temporary factors, buy low, and trading away players who are overperforming and likely to regress, sell high. Benefits of buying low. Buying low allows managers to acquire talented players at a discount. Temporary factors like injuries, tough schedules, or slumps can depress a player's value, making them ideal trade targets for long-term gain. Risks of selling high. Selling high involves trading players who are at peak value, often due to unsustainable performance levels. While profitable, the risk is that these players may continue to perform well, making the trade seem unfavorable in hindsight. Identifying buy low players. Look for talented players going through slumps, returning from injury, or facing tough matchups. Analyzing advanced stats, such as usage rates or expected points, can reveal players poised for a rebound. Spotting sell high candidates. Players who have recently had breakout performances, benefited from temporary team situations, like injuries to key teammates, or are producing unsustainable numbers are prime sell high candidates. Key metrics to watch. Monitor player performance trends, injury reports, upcoming schedules, and advanced metrics. High touchdown rates, unsustainable efficiency, or favorable short-term situations often signal sell high opportunities. Timing is crucial. Execute buy low trades when a player's value is at its lowest, such as after a poor game or injury. Sell high after a player's standout performance or during media hype, when their perceived value is inflated. Balancing team needs and value. While maximizing value is important, ensure that trades address your team's needs. Don't buy low or sell high just for the sake of it. Every move should improve your team's chances of success. Long-term versus short-term gains. Consider your league format and timeline. In dynasty leagues, buy low players with future potential are valuable, while in redraft leagues, immediate performance is key. Mastering the buy low, sell high strategy in fantasy sports requires careful analysis, patience, and timing. By targeting undervalued assets and selling overvalued ones, managers can continuously improve their teams and gain a competitive edge in any fantasy league.